In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record cash transactions in QuickBooks Online. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to track your cash payments efficiently to keep your financial records up to date. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and click on the Sign In button to get started. Now, you might already know this, but QuickBooks Online is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your business finances, and it starts with logging into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll need to select QuickBooks Online as your service. This step is essential because it ensures you're in the right environment for making these updates. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Take a moment to key them in and proceed by clicking Continue. If you're like most business owners, having quick access to these financial records is vital, so make sure your details are accurate to avoid any hassle later on. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the QuickBooks dashboard. Look to the top left corner and you'll see the New button. Give that a click. This button is your gateway to creating new entries within your QuickBooks environment. Choosing this action will bring up a selection of options for different transactions you can input. From there, click on Receive Payment. This option facilitates the logging of payments you receive from your customers, and of course you'll want to make sure it's categorized correctly from the get-go to maintain clarity in your accounts. Now it's time to add the customer from whom you received the cash in this transaction. By selecting the proper customer for each transaction, you ensure that your records remain accurate and organized. Next, click on the Payment Method tab. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select cash to specify that this transaction was indeed paid in cash. It's a small step but vital for the clarity of your account books. Then go ahead and enter the amount you received. Accuracy here is key to keeping your accounts precise. Double check the amount to avoid any discrepancies down the road. Afterward, decide where you want to deposit the cash. QuickBooks lets you choose the account where this payment should land, whether it's a cash on hand account or another account you use for such transactions. Selecting the right account ensures your deposits are tracked seamlessly. Finally, click on Save and Close. This action will finalize the transaction entry and close the window, updating your records and reflecting the latest cash flow in your QuickBooks account. And there you have it, a complete straightforward method to record cash transactions in QuickBooks Online. Following these steps will help you maintain accurate records and smoothly manage the financial aspect of your business. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to refer back to this guide whenever you need a quick refresher.